Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to easily adjust the text size in the Puffin browser on your mobile device. If you ever found the text too small or too large while browsing, this tutorial will help you customize it. First, open the Puffin browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three dots menu. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings to open the browser configuration page. After that, scroll down until you find the Accessibility section and tap on it. Next, look for the text scaling option and click on it. Then, a slider will appear, allowing you to adjust the text size according to your preference. Drag the slider to increase or decrease the text size until it feels comfortable for reading. Finally, once you are happy with the text size, exit the settings and continue browsing with your new preferences. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.